Hello, welcome to Homesteading Northwest Florida. It is January 22nd at 12:30 in the afternoon. The day after, well, all day it snowed in Northwest Florida, 1 hour north of Pensacola. And I've been shoveling here, and I did take my blower and blew away some of the snow. But I've been shoveling and wrapping my pipes better. Here's my hose bib is underneath here. And ooh, what is the temperature at 12:30 in the afternoon on January 22nd? Yes, it is 40 degrees. So, yeah, it's going to take a while for this to melt off. And then it's supposed to be 13 degrees, almost a record low for tonight. So yeah, just gorgeous. Yeah, the best of both worlds. 100 degrees during the summer, and then 13 degrees during the winter, and snow. Just fucking great. Oop, just great. Oop. But, you know, not really why I chose this area. This, to me, seems more like a Michigan snow, because we actually got some snow. In Wisconsin, it'll just be blisteringly cold and never any snow. This channel is all about gardening and complaining about the weather. Ooh, where you step on the snow, it is melting though. That's nice. Where you walk in it, it's melting. That's good. Well, my camellia was beautiful before the snow. And I wonder if they're going to pick up my mail. Let's see what the road looks like here. Not many cars on the road. They instructed everybody to stay home. Oh, maybe they did get my mail. Maybe they thought it was time good enough to come out. No, my flag is still up on the mailbox. This right here is Highway 29. Ooh, the sidewalks are melting. First though. That's cool. Yeah, 13 degrees tonight. Yeah, this is what a highway looks like with no snow plow. But it is 40 degrees, so it's all melting. I think somebody could make it. I think somebody could make it. But, you know, what they should have done is not taken off on Martin Luther King Day and picked up everybody's mail instead of not having mail for 3 days in a row. You know, because now it'll be Sunday, Martin Luther King Day. Yesterday was the storm, right? And today is what? Tuesday or Wednesday? I'm not quite sure. But if it's Wednesday, that's already 3 days without mail. So, you know, should have planned ahead if you just don't pick up mail. And let's take another look at this street here. I think somebody could make it. Maybe I'll make it. Because I do have one package that's not going to fit in my mailbox. I doubt if anybody's going to get stuck right now. It's going to be melting off pretty good. There's the street. Not much traffic. I'm going to call maybe the post office. and ask if they're going to even make an attempt to pick up any mail today. But, yep, usually a lot of traffic on this street. Oh. Yeah, this would be nothing in Wisconsin. This would be, you're going to work. But it's melting, so that's good. Yeah, we got 2 cars that are braving it. Ooh, they're driving in the middle of the road. Ah! Oh, that's funny. Pretty funny. And these plants here have got to be amazing that they can make it through 105 during the summer for like the entire month of August, and very hot July, kind of a droughty August where it's 105 degrees, and then you know, September, half of September is like 100, you know, 95, 100, humidity very high, a lot of insects. Maybe this will kill some of the harmful insects. Heh, I doubt it. But, oh, the cats and the mustaches prowling in the snow. But, yeah, this is what it's looking like today after the snowstorm. I'm wondering if I should try to make it to the post office. But it'll melt. It's getting there. The more you walk on it, the better. Seems like it. More people drive. The cat can walk through it. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, these plants here have got to be incredible to be able to, camellias and anything, to be able to make it through 100 degrees in a drought, and then to be able to make it at 13 degrees. So we'll see how the nectarine tree does. We'll see how this grapefruit tree does here, if it even lives. But they always do, but they got to come back from nothing. And I got some apple trees here. But we'll see how everything does. Thanks for watching. There's Mustache. Hey, Mustache. Yeah. You're walking in the snow. Yeah.